Who knows who better? Two Moms Edition.
Guess our favorite snacks, drinks, and chocolates.
For my favorite snacks, I want something cheesy, salty, spicy, like Cheetos or Cheetos or cheesy, the spicy one.
This grocery has so little options, so there's no popcorn here, so we're gonna choose this.
For soda, I want Mountain Dew or maybe Yakult.
Okay, let's do the drink first. What is her favorite drink? I think Mountain Dew. What do you think, Ari?
Yeah, it's her favorite drink.
Okay, let's grab some Mountain Dew. This is her favorite drink. That's what we know.
And then for the chocolate, the Snickers, the white one. With the flavor, dark chocolate flavor, no white Snickers.
What do you think is her favorite chocolate? Me, I think this Snickers dark almond.
Me, I think it's bacon.
And for my snack, Doritos color red, nacho cheese.
I always buy her Doritos. So, she likes Doritos. Before, she likes jalapeno, but lately, okay, as far as I can remember, no, ayaw niya na. No jalapeno.
For my drink, I'll definitely choose Mogu Mogu color pink. I don't know what flavor it is. I think strawberry.
Favorite drink? I'm looking for Mogu Mogu. Okay, Mogu Mogu, but there's no Mogu Mogu. Wow, there's Mug. Root beer. I think this is our favorite. This one.
For my chocolate, if there's blue, blue. But if there's no blue, the crunch, brown M&Ms.
Sometimes I buy her M&Ms with the blue one. So for now, walang M&Ms with blue. We only have the chocolate and the, what's this? The milk chocolate and the peanutty M&Ms. So I'll just get this. Let's go. I hope we got it correctly.
Time for the reveal.
Oh my god!
It's the Mogu Mogu.
There's no Mogu Mogu there!
Oh no! For soda, this is my favorite go-to.
I got her. I usually buy you Doritos eh.
Doritos red!
Yeah, but I bought you Java.
What about you? What's your snack?
Sabi ko dapat Cheetos. Yung cheese or popcorn. Or anything spicy.
I chose popcorn, but there's no popcorn. We were looking for the popcorn. But this one's the local snack available for you.
Ito.
Go! This is my new go-to kasi.
If
It's
merong
very
M&M's na blue, I'll buy it.
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung fave mo. Yeah.
I didn't check if there was pero ooh, we're the same.
Okay.